So you download a piece of software that was supposed to be quote unquote free, and you get hit with a virus. In our case, it's the chill tab virus. What that entails is pretty much a lot of pop-ups, random web browsers opening up, a lot of adware, and just a lot of crazy things happening, and you just can't do work on your Mac OS device. This happened to me not too long ago, so I thought I'd share how I fixed it. Let's get to it. So what I did to fix this issue was use a software called DetectX Swift. I will have the link in the description. It's easy as installing it, running it, and letting it scan your system. Once the scan is done, it would allow you to select all the files that are causing this issue and then remove them. Once they are removed, you restart your computer and the virus is gone. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video and if it worked for you, as well as a subscription. If you have any issues, comments, concerns, drop that as well in the comment section. I'll catch y'all in the next one.